Hey financial enthusiasts, today we're diving into the fascinating world of passive income, where your money works for you, whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious beginner. Understanding passive income is a key step towards financial freedom. So let's explore the various streams of passive income and how you can start making money while you sleep. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort on your part. Unlike active income, which requires your direct involvement like a 9-to-5 job, passive income continues to flow in even when you're not actively working. It's a game changer for building wealth and achieving financial independence. One classic form of passive income is through dividend-paying stocks. Invest in solid companies, and as a shareholder, you will receive the portion of their profits regularly. Owning rental properties or investing in real estate investment trusts REITs can provide a steady stream of rental income or dividends. For the creative minds, generating income through digital products like ebooks, online courses, or stock photos is an excellent way to earn money passively. By promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale, affiliate marketing is a popular choice for those with a strong online presence. Now that we explored the options, how do you get started? We'll discuss the steps to set up each passive income stream, from selecting the right investment to creating digital products or launching an affiliate marketing strategy. Building wealth through passive income requires careful management. We'll cover strategies to diversify your streams, reinvest earnings, and ensure a steady flow of income over the long term. So there you have it, the power of passive income. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or achieve financial freedom, incorporating passive income streams into your financial strategy can make a significant impact. If you found this exploration helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy investing and enjoy the journey to financial independence. This is Financial Whiteboard.